So today let's learn how to use Edpuzzle. Here I am in Google Classroom. I'm going to click on my class, go to classwork. On the left-hand side, I'm going to scroll down till I find technology class. Here is the newest assignment. You will click up here, right at the top, a banner of your assignment. You could also click on the clipboard to open up your assignment all the way. You are going to see Edpuzzle, how to use Edpuzzle. I've assigned it. You will click on this. It'll take you to Edpuzzle site. You'll sign in with Google with your school account. And here's the Edpuzzle. What this is you're going to watch a video, and every so often it is going to stop and ask you a question.
To find your Edpuzzle assignment, first log into your Google Classroom account. Then select your class, and you can find your Edpuzzle assignment.
Right? Just like I just explained. So it stops. It just stops and pauses your video. There's a question that will come up, right? Where did you find the assignment? Was it in your personal email or your Google Classroom? You'll click on it and you'll submit. If you can't remember, then you'll just click rewatch. It'll rewind just a little bit. You'll rewatch part of the video and then you can answer it. So far, I have 100 out of 100. We'll click it to continue.
The assignment you want to complete. Here, we will complete the lesson on an intro to volume. Then click on the link that appears. You will be taken to the Edpuzzle site, where you
just like I showed you. Again, every so often, it is going to stop and ask you a question, right? What email should you sign in with? Well, personal, school, or parent. We definitely have to sign in with our school account. Right again. Okay, so you'll continue to do this until you get to the very end. If you need to read along, if you want closed captions, you can turn those on. Right, we're not going to have those. Sound, you can make it full screen. And then once you get to the very end, it'll be finished. And once it's completely finished, I want you to go back to Google Classroom just to make sure that Edpuzzle marked it as done. Okay. So it's not really hard to use. Like I said, it's a website, and there will be videos that you watch, and every so often in the video, they're going to give you a question, right? The video will stop. You'll have to answer the question, and then you can continue. I think that'll be it for right now. Thanks. Don't forget to be awesome.